Well, good afternoon. It's your old buddy Interrupt 66. And I'm looking out this back door this wet, rainy, windy, cold afternoon. I figured I'd take the time to make a quick video. We're kind of lucky here. We didn't get any snow, thank goodness. But it is cold and rainy and windy. And there's the pond. It's getting plenty of fresh water. Yeah. Very rainy day. But if we make it through the day, it's supposed to be dry for the next, I think, 6 or 7, so that won't be too bad. It don't look like it's raining that hard right now, just kind of a drizzle. Just kind of a dreary day. Very cold, dreary day in the 40s, I believe, right now. Low to mid 40s. Let's see. The water temperature of the pond is, let's see, was it 45.1 degrees is the water temperature in the pond. So that's a little chilly. But it's close to normal for this time of year, I guess. Right around normal. I just figured I'd take a second or two. The birds are out there feeding. The rain don't bother them none, that's for sure. Yeah, we're lucky. The people up north, they're getting some snow. We just got a cold rain. Let's see. I can't really see the goldfish pond there. There it is. Can't really see it that well. The old deck's in the way, but that's all right. Ain't nothing really to see. Weston, he's asleep on the couch, doing what he does best. You see the wind blowing the waves around on the pond a little bit. The wind, you can tell the wind's blowing pretty good when you get a little bit of wave action on the pond. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing the sun tomorrow. All right, well, I hope everybody's having a great day. I just wanted to show you around a little bit on this wet, dreary day. Well, I want to thank you very much for watching. And have a great day.